off me, back scruffy, get back you flea infested mongrel. Gonna tell myself I might know the angry. Yippee-I-O, to any girls they call a K9. Yippee-I-O, tell the dummy, hey man, it's part of the party. Yippee-I-O, you put a woman in front and her man behind, and the woman shouts out, who let the dogs out? 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 Doggy is nothing if he don't have a bone. Oh, doggy, hold your bone. No, doggy, hold it. A doggy is nothing if he don't have a bone. Oh, doggy, hold your bone. Oh, doggy, hold it. Who let the dogs out? 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 I see a little speedboat to coast. She really wants to skip town. Get back off me, back scruffy. Get back, you flea infested mongrel. Well, if I am a dog, then the body is old. I gotta get my grip on cause my mind is gold. Do you see the rays coming from my eyes? Could you be my friend? That Benjamin, they're breaking them down. Me and my white short shorts and I can't see a lot and it can't won't do. I figured